This is breadboard, and this is male to female wire. The one which has pin, it is male, and the one which can be inserted like this, it is female. So we might be requiring this sum of quantities to use in this IoT Pro kit, that is Raspberry Pi Pro 4, 3 or 5. So let's start with our LED, connecting it in this breadboard first. There are two terminals in this LED. One big one is anode, little one is cathode. Anode has positive, which means a plus, and this is minus. So we can connect it in somewhere near breadboard, which can be inserted easily like this. Now it's inserted, see. So we keep it here, and we'll take two male to female wires. Male to female wire, one. We place it parallel to this. First one, this, second one, and this, then circuit. Finger?
GPIO 18.
Plus GPIO 18. We have to connect. Mine
to the ground.
Any ground. Okay. So we take this one and we connect it from here, right?
3.3.
3.3 volts.
First connect to female, both side female wire from 3.3 volt from the Raspberry Pi to the push button.
3.3 volt to the push button, which middle one.
Here it is. Hey, 3.3 volt here, man.
Here, huh?
Yeah.
You will get the power supply here now, because this 3.3 volt to 3.3 volt is connected. So in order we can get power supply for that push button, that would help us in generating this light in this LED.
Now connect.
So now connect this in
This one. First one from
first
the push
one,
button.
first one in the push button to
GPIO 17.
GPIO 17. Where is 17?
Parallel to GPIO 18.
Parallel to GPIO 18 is 17. When connected properly,
Then enter the code,
and now
necessary code.
enter the necessary code. Code. This is the code, and we have done this, and now we have to execute it through this terminal.
First,
First we
Control X in order to execute the
execute
code.
it, and for that now we have to do this Python 3 space
File name that you are giving.
fous.py, which is the file name that we have done this experiment, and enter.
No, it's already.
Now this runtime, this channel is already in use, continuing anyway. Now push button is pushed, and this is blinking.
Wow,
Have a nice day. Yay, Majapa.